It was a bright Saturday morning in Sunshine Village, and William and Gabriel were sitting at the kitchen table with rumbling tummies. Go went William's tummy. Go went Gabriel's tummy even louder. Gabriel clutched his middle and laughed. I think my stomach is singing. William grinned. Mine too. It sounds hungry. Just then, Grandma came in carrying a basket full of lovely food. There were eggs, cheese, strawberries, bananas, tomatoes, cucumbers, blueberries, and slices of bread. I know exactly what your hungry tummies need, said Grandma. What? Asked Gabriel. A rainbow breakfast, said Grandma with a twinkle in her eye. William blinked. For a moment he thought she meant a real rainbow on a plate. Gabriel gasped. Can we eat it? Of course, said Grandma. If you work carefully. First, Grandma held up one finger. Clean hands. Then another. Ask a grown-up for help with anything hot or sharp. Then a third. Clean up after you finish. The boys nodded very seriously, as if they were being trained by a secret cookery club. They washed their hands until they sparkled. Gabriel held up his fingers. Mine are super squeaky. William rubbed his hands together. Mine are ready for adventure. Grandma helped them put the bread into the toaster. The kitchen grew quiet. Waiting, whispered Gabriel. That is the hardest part, said William. Then came a cheerful pop and the toast jumped up. Both boys laughed. It looked as if the bread had done a little hop. Now the fun begins, said Grandma. William spread cream cheese on one slice. Gabriel spread a little on the other. Then they began building their rainbow. Red strawberries went on first, neat as shining buttons. Yellow banana slices followed, soft and bright. Green cucumber came next, cool and crisp. Tiny red tomato pieces sat beside them. Orange strips of pepper made the colors cheerful. Last of all came the blueberries, dark and shiny like little night stars. Gabriel stared at his toast. It is too pretty to eat. William sniffed. It smells too good not to. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.